Air frying has never been this beautiful. Introducing the Air Fryer 3 Vision by Nutricook. It's everything you've ever wanted in an air fryer and more. Our newest air fryer is packed with innovative features designed for your ease. The all-new clear window lets you experience the magic of seeing your food cooked to perfection without opening the basket. 11 one-touch cooking programs create endless possibilities for what you can make without the guilt. Want your favorite meal at the touch of a button? Save up to 3 of your favorite recipes for easy one-touch access, so you can come back to your most loved meals with ease. Our exclusive Smart Temp Technology automatically adjusts temperature while cooking for perfectly cooked food every single time. It also tells you when to shake, so your food gets fried evenly. The new cooking status indicator keeps track of your food's cooking progress and lets you know when it's ready. And because it's quieter than other air fryers, your time in the kitchen is peaceful when you want it to be. The non-stick air fryer basket and cooking tray are free from harmful chemicals and dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Enjoy making your favorite guilt-free meals with the Air Fryer 3 Vision by Nutricook.